Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, these are Bear Naked brand. There's a big bear on the cover. And these are granola bites, chewy, peanut butter, and honey. Mike Foster here, how you doing? Downstairs in my office. You guys have seen it before. There's a lot of stuff going on here. But this is an episode of Mike Tries, and I'm trying these granola bites made out of honey and peanut butter and granola. Lots of good stuff. The brand is called Bear Naked. They got 160 calories per serving. That's about 11 pieces, and I'll show you the size of the piece. Here, I'll show you the size right now. That's the size of the piece. That is a nice little pop in the mouth, bite size. So 11 of these is about 160 calories. What else I got? Miguelito. It's got some good healthy fats, zero cholesterol. It's got 140 milligrams of sodium. That's not bad at all. Don't worry about that. It's got 21 grams of carbs, but it's got 3 grams of fiber, so the net carb is only 18. 7 grams of sugar, and you're going to get some protein. Get 5 grams of protein. Let's try these babies, because who cares what's in it if they don't taste good? Here you go. Bear Naked bites. I'm just going to put it on. Got a nice texture. Not too soft, but not hard. That's what she said. You can taste those granolas. Very nice peanut buttery flavor. And a nice sweet honey flavor. A little closer for. They're good. Good way to get a little protein to start your day or for a snack throughout the day. It's probably better than eating Doritos. These are thumbs up. Awesome. Bear Naked bites. Check them out. They're vegetarian. They're not vegan because of the honey. And I don't think they're organic. But they're healthy and delicious. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Tell people about it, subscribe, and keep on living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? For more mink, don't mind. All right, camera's off. What do you really think of these, Mike? They're the Sweet Babu and Baba.